Hey, I've been playing around with a new tool that I wanted to tell you about. It's called Hyperize. It's really cool because what it allows you to do is you can take an image and you upload it to Hyperize, and then you can put in dynamic text. So similar to if you're writing an email and you say, hey name, and then when you send it, it doesn't actually say name, it says, hey Becky or whatever. So same thing here, except it's with an image. So you put the image up and then you drag and drop text over top of it, and you can use placeholders there to insert dynamic text. And then you just take the URL that it gives you and you drop that in your email, and suddenly you've got a completely customized image that you can send to your prospects. And what do you do with this? This is awesome for sending sales emails because suddenly you can send a whole bunch of very personalized emails at scale. So you can talk to somebody, instead of just saying the hey name, which everybody knows that's automated, you can now say, hey name, I want to talk to you about my service or whatever, and then you put a little picture in there that shows, maybe their website, or it shows collaboration between you two, or I've used it to just say literally like I put a calendar in there and it said September in the calendar, and then it said, meet with name about their company name. And that's just really effective because it looks highly personalized, and you can do that at scale, so it doesn't actually have to take you, forever to create those images. Anyway, that's called Hyperize, Hyperise. Check it out. It's a really cool tool.